Welcome to Uline's service and maintenance video series. In this video we will show the proper cleaning process for your Uline Clear Ice machine. Every 3000 cycles CL will show on the display, meaning the machine needs to be cleaned. Mineral buildup can occur over time. Cleaning helps ensure proper operation. If you live in an area with poor water quality, it is recommended to clean the machine more frequently. Use only Uline recommended cleaner and follow all label warnings and directions. Using non-approved cleaner can damage the unit and void your warranty. Order Uline Nickel Safe Cleaner at u-line.com. Before beginning the cleaning process, press and hold the power icon for 3 seconds. Off will now display on the control. Next, discard all ice from the storage bin and remove the evaporator cover. Do not forcibly remove any ice from the evaporator, and allow the ice to melt off into the bin. Trying to remove embedded ice could damage the evaporator. Remove the standpipe by lifting it up, while using a slight back and forth motion to loosen it from the drain opening. The water in the reservoir will empty down the drain. Once the water has drained, reinstall the standpipe into the water trough. To begin the cleaning cycle, press the power icon to turn the unit on. Then hold the swirl icon for 5 seconds to show CL on the display. When water begins flowing over the evaporator, pour 1 to 2 ounces of ice machine cleaner into the water trough. The cleaning process will last approximately 45 minutes. While the cleaning cycle is running, dilute 1 tablespoon of bleach into 1 gallon of water. Apply this solution to the entire inside of the storage area to clean the ice bin. Then rinse thoroughly with water. Normal ice production will begin automatically, about 15 minutes after the cleaning cycle has finished. We recommend discarding all ice produced in the first harvest after cleaning. Now you're ready to enjoy fresh, clear ice. Thanks for choosing Uline.